How to lose 15 pounds in a month with exercise and diet. I know you are probably tired by now of people telling you about the best way to lose weight and keep it off. I do not blame you if you feel that way. The truth is, some of the best foods you have heard, or the so-called best ways to lose weight, do not work for everybody. One thing you cannot do, though, is give up. So keep watching and keep learning, because if you follow what is in this video, you will lose weight and keep it off. So please pay attention to all the exercises and how to do them. Do not skip any of the exercises. The diet is a big part of this video, so make sure you watch and understand what you are supposed to eat, because the workout exercises and the diet when followed will help you reach your goal, without a doubt. To lose significant amounts of weight in a short period, so many people go through extreme diet plans and rigorous exercise routines. The truth is that drastic weight loss can be achieved through a simple exercise and diet plan to optimize fat burning and muscle building. All this can be achieved without compromising your health. If you are interested in losing up to 15 pounds in a month, here is a diet and exercise plan for you to follow. Exercise for fast weight loss. A study published by the Journal of Sports Medicine and Physical Fitness in 2017 has determined that the most effective way to lose weight is a combination of aerobic exercise and strength training completed in short but intense bursts. Researchers identified this 7-minute program to produce the best results. Do each of the following exercises in succession. Every exercise routine lasts for 30 seconds. Jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together and your arms relaxed at your sides. Jump up and part your legs so you land in a wide stance. Simultaneously, swing your arms over your head. Keep alternating between the narrow and wide stance until your 30-second timer runs out. Wall sit. Stand up straight with your back leaning against a wall. Plant your feet around 2 feet in front of you and about hip-width apart. Keep your arms at your sides and your palms pressed flat on the wall. Slide your back down the wall until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Hold this position until your 30-second timer runs out. Push-ups. On a mat, lie facing down. Hold yourself up with your arms straight, palms at shoulder level, and your toes tucked under. Clip your elbows close to your sides as you lower your body down. Hold your lowest position for a second before pushing yourself back up. Repeat until your 30-second timer runs out. Abdominal crunch. Lie on your back and bend your knees so that your feet are planted on the mat. Touch your fingers to your ears to keep your arms at your sides. Harness power from your abdominal muscles to lift your body off the floor. Hold your peak position for a second before slowly returning down to your starting position. Repeat as many times as you can until your 30-second timer runs out. Step up onto chair. Stand in front of a chair of standard height. Step up with your right leg, lift yourself, and allow your left foot to touch the seat without shifting your weight. Lower your left foot to the floor and go back down to your starting position. Repeat until your 15-second timer runs out and do the same for the other side. Squats. Stand with your feet around hip-width apart. Bend your knees as you lower your hips down. Make sure your thighs are parallel to the ground. Hold your lowest position for a second before standing upright. Repeat until your 30-second timer runs out. Triceps dips on chair. Sit on a chair and slide your hips off the front. Use both hands to grip the edge of the seat. Plant your feet firmly around 2 feet in front of you. Bend your elbows and knees to lower your buttocks towards the ground. Hold your lowest position for a second before extending your elbows and straightening your knees to lift your body back up. Repeat this movement until your 30-second timer runs out. Plank core hold. On a mat, lie on your stomach. Prop yourself up using your forearms and tuck your toes under. Just like a plank, keep yourself as straight and stiff as you can. Make sure your butt doesn't sag down or point up. Hold this position until your 30-second timer runs out. High knees. Stand with your feet around hip width apart. Extend both arms straight out in front of you with your palms facing down. Lift your right knee high enough to touch your right palm. Do the same using the left knee and left palm. Shuffle between the two sides as fast as you can until your 30-second timer runs out. Lunges. Stand with your feet hip width apart and rest your hands at your waist. Take a large step forward using your right leg and lower your body down until your knee is bent at a 90-degree angle. Step back to your original position and take a second before doing the same for the other side. Keep shuffling between the two sides until your 30-second timer runs out. Push-ups with rotation. Start with a basic push-up by lying face down on a mat. Hold yourself up with your arms locked straight, palms beside your shoulder, and your toes tucked under. Lower your body down and hold your lowest position for a second. Push yourself back up, and when you reach your peak position, take your right palm off the floor and rotate your upper body in order to extend your right arm towards the ceiling. Rotate back and return to your original position. Do another push-up and rotate on the left side. Keep alternating your rotations between the two sides until your 30-second timer runs out. Side planks. On a mat, lie on your right side and hold yourself up using your right forearm. Keep your right foot on the mat with the left foot resting on top of it. Your left arm should be resting along your torso. Keep yourself stiff and make sure your hips don't sag down or point up towards the ceiling. Hold this position for 15 seconds before doing the same on the other side. In the study, participants showed significant improvement in BPI, reduction in waist and hip circumferences, and decrease in fat mass. All this was achieved in the span of 6 weeks without even changing the way they eat. By combining this with an effective weight loss diet plan, achieving the same results should be possible within 4 weeks. It is a good idea to learn about all the exercises and know how to do them, but you do not have to do them all every single day. But make sure you are doing at least 6 a day for about 5 or 6 days a week. Diet plan for weight loss. In another study published by the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition in 2015, researchers found that combining such an exercise routine with a high-protein diet is an excellent way to achieve optimal body composition. According to the study results, the diet plan would contain 1.7 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. So a 150-pound adult should consume approximately 255 grams of protein per day on a high-protein diet. If you divide this requirement into 3 meals, you'll need approximately 85 grams of protein per meal. Here are a few ideas to meet this requirement. 8.5 ounces of lamb shoulder roast, 9.5 ounces of lean chicken breast, 9.5 ounces of lean ground turkey, 9.7 ounces of lean pork chops, 10 ounces of turkey breast, 10 ounces of pork tenderloin, 10 ounces of bluefin tuna, 10.25 ounces of yellowfin tuna, 10.5 ounces of skirt steak, 2 cups firm tofu. You can prepare these meats however you enjoy them. Just make sure not to overload your meals with excessive calories. If you keep up this level of protein intake and combine it with daily exercise, there's no doubt you can reach your weight loss goals within a month. Losing 15 pounds in a month with exercise and diet is no easy feat. However, with discipline and determination, It is a perfectly achievable goal that won't come at the cost of your health. By following this diet and exercise plan, you can finally be in your best shape and even your best health. Following our study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.